In this video, we're going to cover elevator camber mixing. And what that is that's how much camber or trailing edge movement you get when you move the elevator stick. So we'll go into the glider menu, select elevator camber. We're going to go to the second page. That shows you where you can adjust the ailerons and the flaps to follow the elevator, both up and down. But first we have to go to the third page and again, turn it on. So I'm going to go in here, select on, go to switch, and we're going to put this on switch B, select, set, put the on position up here to on, off, back out, and we'll go to page 2, and this is where you program it. So as you pulling up elevator with this in the on position, as you're pulling up elevator, the trailing edge of your wing will come down. This is important for getting in and out of thermals, to increase the camber as you're in lift, as you're pulling elevator, or for slope racing, F3F or F3B type racing, when you want to make a tight turn, increase the lift on the wing, this is what you use elevator camber for. So it'll move the entire trailing edge of the wing with one movement. Again, no P-mixes with the Futaba radios. It's a function that comes standard, and we're going to go over to the airplane here and show you exactly what it does. Now that we're over here at the airplane, you'll be able to see what elevator camber mixing is. When I pull the elevator up, you see the ailerons come down. When I push the elevator down, you see the ailerons go up. That is elevator camber mixing.